Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get free games with Xbox Microsoft Rewards. In this video I'm gonna basically show you guys how to redeem your Microsoft Rewards points for free games on Xbox or on PC if you got the Xbox Game Pass. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you're on a laptop or computer device, just open up your internet browser. It could be Google Chrome or anything else. If you're on an iOS or Android device, just go to your internet browser and go to google.com. And here just search for Microsoft Rewards like this. Microsoft Rewards Xbox like this. And here you have to click on this first link, get rewards for the game you love to play. And then you have to just click on this get started button to sign up for Microsoft Rewards. And then once you sign up for Microsoft Rewards account, you just have to visit the Rewards Hub. So as you play games, you will earn points. You can redeem those Microsoft Rewards points for free games on Xbox or on your Windows PC. And this is how you can earn. So basically you start earning points by playing games or anything like that. They will give you tasks in the rewards tab, for example. So you can redeem your points for Xbox gift cards or use on games and add-ons, tips, tags, entries, a controller or console. You can also enter into controller or console giveaways. So you can start earning points by shopping for games and eligible items and Microsoft Store as well, playing games, completing quests and much more. So you can just click on earn rewards to learn how to start earning Microsoft Rewards points, and then you can redeem those Microsoft Rewards points for free stuff on this website, on this xbox.com website, or on the Microsoft Rewards application on your Xbox console if you have already installed it. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.